Now today, myself Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School. Now question is related to the find the inverse where A is equal to 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1 minus 2. Hence solve the system of equation 4x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 2, x plus y plus z equal to 1, 3x plus y minus 2z equal to 5. This question is related to the topic of determinants, but this question we solve by the matrix method. This question solved by the matrix method. This matrix, first we write the indeterminants. This matrix we write in the determinants and find the value of determinant. The value of determinant equal to minus 8 not equal to 0. Minus 8 not equal to 0. So the value of determinant not equal to 0, then the A inverse exists. Then A inverse exists. Now A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Determinant A is already find, then we find the adjoint A. Then we find the adjoint A. Now finding the adjoint with the help of minor as well as cofactor. Minor is denoted by capital M and cofactor is denoted by capital A11, capital A12, capital A13, 21, capital A22, capital A23, capital A31 and so. This way to find the conclusion, so the matrix is A. Matrix is A. After that, first we find the determinant of A. This determinant expand by first row 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 bracket 1 minus 3 4 into minus 3 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 12 plus 10 minus 6 equal to minus 8. Minus 8 not equal to 0. So the determinant, the matrix is a non-singular matrix. If the matrix is non-singular, then we find the A inverse. So A inverse exists. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. The determinant A is already found. Then we find the adjoining A. A11 means first row, first column. Element of first row, first column. So element of first row and cofactor means cofactor of first row, first column. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 3. A12 first row second column minus 1 1 3 minus 2 equal to 5. A13 first row third column indeterminate 1 1 3 1 equal to minus 2, and A21 second row first column equal to minus 2 3 1 minus 2 equal to 7. A22 indeterminate 4 3 3 minus 2 equal to minus 17, and A23 equal to minus determinant 4 2 3 1 equal to 2, and the A31 means third column first row equal to indeterminate 2 3 1 1 that equal to minus 1, and A32 equal to minus 4 3 1 1 equal to minus 1, and A33 equal to 4 2 1 1 equal to 2. So we find all the cofactor of the given matrix such that the adjoining A equal to minus 3 5 minus 2 element of first row, 7 minus 17 and 2 element of second row, minus 1 and 2 element of third row. Find the transpose of that. The transpose of that matrix to minus 3 7 minus 1 5 minus 17 minus 1 minus 2 2 and 2. This is the adjoint of A. This is the adjoint of A. That A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A, 1 upon determinant A minus 1 upon 8 into adjoint of A. This minus multiplied to the matrix 1 upon 8, 3 minus 7 1 minus 5 17 1 2 minus 2 minus 2. The given system of equation 4x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 2, x plus y plus z equal to 1, 3x plus y minus 2z equal to 5. This system of equation can be written as A equal to 4 2 3, second row 1 1 1, and third row 3 2 3 1 minus 2, and x equal to x y z and b equal to 2 1 and 5. So this can be written as ax equal to b. This can be written as ax equal to b, and x is equal to a inverse b. X is equal to a inverse b. 1 upon 8, 3 minus 7 1 minus 5 17 1 2 minus 2 minus 2 multiply 2 1 5. So x y z equal to 1 by 8, 6 minus 7 plus 5 minus 10 plus 17 plus 5 4 minus 2 minus 10, and the result 1 by 8 4 12 minus 8, 1 by 8 multiplied to the each number, then 1 by 2 3 by 2 compare the both matrix x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 3 by 2 and z equal to -1. This is the required result of the matrix. So therefore, with the help of inverse, we find the value of x, y, z. With the help of inverse, we find the value of z, x, y and z. The question is very important for the examination point of view. Such type of question we also ask in the examination. So if you find the value of x, y, z with the help of inverse, something or some points be noted to find the determinant of the given matrix as well as the adjoint of given matrix, and then x equal to A inverse B, then we multiply to compare the value and find the value of x, y, z. Now thanks today.